So in this video, we want to break it down into 3 short parts. So first of all, what is the DOJ probe? How does this impact AMC stock? And why does this matter for AMC investors? So earlier this year, GME and AMC stock were particular targets for short sellers as both companies looked to struggle in the evolving COVID-19 world. Led by the infamous WallstreetBets community on Reddit, AMC has become one of the most searched stocks on Google in 2021. On Friday, Bloomberg released an article discussing the initiation of a probe from the US Justice Department, investigating the relationships between short sellers and research firms. So the news has taken Reddit community by storm as AMC stock and GME were a targeted movement against big institutions profiting off short selling practices. So firstly, what we want to break down to is what is the DOJ probe? According to Bloomberg, the US Justice Department has begun a criminal investigation into short selling by hedge funds and research firms. The DOJ probe will begin an expansive investigation to try to determine whether funds and firms may have improperly coordinated trades or broke other laws to profit. The probe will aim to determine if certain hedge funds track stocks targeted by short seller research firms prior to these publications. So why does this matter? The probe news holds significant weight as everyday investors have called for greater regulation around institutional short selling and short seller reports. As our youth investment group readers would be aware of, multiple companies such as DraftKings and Clover Health have been hammered following short seller reports over the past 12 months. However, everyday investors aren't the only ones asking for regulation. The SEC has also been asking for changes in short selling disclosure since the AMC squeeze. In May, the SEC considered measures to require institutions to disclose more information regarding their short selling trades and the use of derivatives to bet against stocks. Overall, the SEC is pushing for more regulation in this area to protect the little guy. So what does this boil down to? So the reported DOJ investigation aims to tackle illegal short selling practices. However, AMC stock was not mentioned as a part of their inquiry. Interestingly, AMC was able to drive change on its own accord. Following the GME and AMC rally that shook Wall Street, Citron Research, led by Andrew Left, announced that their research firm would be discontinuing practice of short selling reports after 20 years. It is worth noting short selling is not illegal and is regulated by the SEC in the United States. In legal terms, short selling is legalized in Rule 10A-1, which was set out in 1937. This legislation stated market participants could legally sell short shares of a stock. Now, this becomes an issue for the everyday investor when false information is spread to profit off a short sale, exposing the everyday investor to increased volatility and market risk. So the Department of Justice is yet to confirm details surrounding the rumored investigation. Therefore, until further developments, we will not know for certain which securities are under watch, if any. Furthermore, the probe aims to determine if practices are within the law, meaning it may not find any foul play at all. In saying this, both GME and AMC have become a catalyst in highlighting some flaws on Wall Street, in particular, the practices and ethics behind short selling. So that pretty much wraps up the AMC stock and the DOJ probe investigation. If you guys are interested or wanted to learn a little bit more, we've got the information on our website, so check that out at youthinvestmentgroup.com. But besides that, thanks for watching and stay tuned. We'll be bringing out some more videos soon. Thanks.